Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Breakfast time at Franklin's. Yum. Yum. Look. Mushrooms. And it's snowing. It's snowing. It's definitely snowing. It's been forecast for a big epic, like 3 foot of snowstorm. So I didn't show you the refrigerator since yesterday. Actually, it doesn't look as full as it did. Well, Emily's going back to her home, Jess is coming over. Natalie's not feeling well today, so she's staying at home, which is good. Rest up, Nat. And the snow is coming down, but not much going on just yet. But to be cancelled ballet tomorrow. So, I guess it's officially a snow day tomorrow. Does look pretty. Whoa, it's getting snowy. Wow, it's a lot snowier here. Whoa.
I think Manhattan's like just warmer.
Right. Look. Yay! Oh, mega fast lunch making. I got some meat, sweet potatoes, peas. These are sweet potatoes left over from yesterday. And what I love to do is just put in coconut milk and soy sauce. Really good, or tamari. And then we got some greens. I'm not going to lift this up, but in there is some squash and some zucchini. And Jess has got fish. And check out the snow. Yay. It's pretty crazy. Okay, so we've got half an hour before we shift, so I'm going to eat and get ready and see you now. Cool. Oh, I got pee. That was really sweet. How are you feeling, miss? My phone, actually, I'm not going to take you to the bar. I was like, I'm going to finish filming before I go to the pee. My phone died in ballet class today. I was like, why didn't I bring my charger? And no one had a charger. And then, you know, I didn't even really think about it until Holy Shift session, and all this came up around our phones and our connection to our phone, your relationship to it, the like essence of phone, it's the flow of communication. It's not that actual thing. It's like, yes, that's its body, but it's not it. That was crazy. I've never, I mean, I've had many insights about phones and all of it, but that was so cool. And our connection to the inner web, like really next level strongly, and how it's connected to the vlogs and connection, and just sweet, amazing. Yeah. So, Holy Shifters, feeling this, feel. I'm trying to like connect to this, the vibration of information that I'm sending you through these webs. So don't just watch 2D, but like feel it, full D. And then allow that place to communicate to you to share your comments, but I'll be feeling the much bigger realm of it. And right now you might be able to feel my bladder that's like, go pee. So I'm gonna go to the loo, and then we've got laser session, so I'll fill you in on pieces as they ask. Do you even know who's here? Jessica. Oh. So. Oh. millions of Starship calls happening. Millions. Maybe not millions, but lots of them, and they're all really, really amazing. And there's that one just made cookies. Didn't vlog it, sorry. And then I sat and edited for a while. And this next vlog's going to be really long, and I just couldn't get it all done. So I can do it tomorrow. And Jess is staying on because it's snow day, although there's no snow.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's officially a snow day.
It's officially a snow day, like the whole city is like
Shutting down.
closed, but there's really no snow out there. It's kind of a bit of a joke. But anyway, I'm taking it. And
Good night, but
good night. I need to work on my metatarsals.
good night, Buddha man.
Night night, guys. If you like this video, give it lots of thumbs ups and send it to all your friends. We have got about 750 more superhumans to gather into our family before we're at 5,000 YouTube subscribers, which is really exciting. So help me get that up, and that's it. So sleep well. I'll see you tomorrow. And leave me a comment. Bye.